Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar is claiming that the farmers' protest has been sponsored by political parties. Also suggests that outsider elements like Khalistan could be involved. Listen into exactly what the Haryana Chief Minister has said.
ये आंदोलन पंजाब के किसानों की ओर से खड़ा किया गया है और वो भी किसानों की बजाय वहाँ से कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का जो स्पॉन्सर्ड है, कुछ संस्थाओं का स्पॉन्सर्ड है, इस प्रकार के किसान वहाँ से आए हैं। हरियाणा के किसान ने उसमें भागीदारी नहीं की है। हमने पंजाब के किसानों को अपील की है कि उनके प्रतिनिधि सरकार से बात करें। आखिर कोई बात करने के लिए हजारों किसानों की जरूरत नहीं होती है। राजनीतिक रोटियां सेकने का जो काम किया जा रहा है वो किसान के नाम पर, ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और मैं तो इसकी निंदा करता हूँ, ये निंदनीय भी है।
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live with more details on this. Aishwarya, you are getting us the latest updates from Burari. Several farmers who are already there protesting. But this has been a comment that's been made time and again, that this particular protest is not actually led by farmers. It's politically motivated, and this is the opposition's attempt to stoke fire.
Well, definitely, we are seeing how this issue is now being politicized, and now we have the Chief Minister of Haryana coming on record and saying that this is not a farmers' protest, this is not being led by farmers. Let me tell you where I am. I'm standing in the Burari, and in Burari area, this is the area which has been designated for the farmers. Now, what people were expecting were large number of farmers to be present here. Unfortunately, that's not the case. The farmers are discussing things amongst themselves. They do not want to come here. Where they actually want to go is Jantar Mantar. They want to be in central Delhi. But the issue is being politicized. That's what political leadership is now claiming. And Haryana Chief Minister very clearly saying that farmers from Haryana have not joined the protest, and this is in fact the doing of the opposition parties. Back to you.
It'll be interesting to see what kind of reactions come in on that. Aishwarya, thank you for getting us that report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.